For the train tunnel entrance, I got 3D hieroglyphics straight from ancient Egypt on each side of the columns. Then on top of the train entrance, which hopefully we can build one day, but will lead into the train tunnel, where the Garden Railroad train is going to be able to come in and out. Leading to the other side, on top we're going to have the Sphinx. And the golden obelisk along past through a mountain full of various silver, electrum, gold, and then the train will come out this way, come around the feeding grounds, and then up right here's the first of the building, the Bahaja model from India. So, and then we'll have a couple of skyscrapers and such for the birds feeding grounds, and then that will take place in the city. Then right here will be the Lucas farmhouse, where the turtles will drive up to the driveway. So then over here we'll have a city wrap around. And so that's it so far for the mock setup for the Garden Railroad.
Oh, that's very high. That's the highest I've ever seen. How high
Keep
is
building.
it? Cool. Imagine the bike is so tall.